Spiritual warfare combined with dry fasting will get a devil to flee. If the spirit of poverty have a stronghold over your life, you can combine a dry fast with no spending for a set period of time. That will help fight against the spirit of poverty. I would recommend that when you want to give up an activity or a hobby, combine it with a long-term fast. For example, not eating meat for a month combined with giving up social media for a month. If you're seeking something that is in the will of the Most High for your life, and you want to show the Most High how sincere and faithful you are, giving up an activity or a hobby you enjoy will help display your faith about receiving the things that you want. Some people make vows. Have you ever heard of a person saying to the Most High, if you deliver me this time, I promise to turn my life around, or I will stop spending money on entertainment for a month? I'm sure many of you know of a person who have done this. That is a vow. Israelites and Gentiles, when you make a vow to the Most High, make sure to fulfill the vow. Don't make a vow to the Most High if you have no intentions of carrying out what you said.